All right, here we are. Had a little trouble with this video, so hopefully it works out the way I need it to be. Okay, so hope everyone's doing well. Just two questions to go over, and then an easy assignment for you guys, as long as you're keeping up. As long as you're keeping up. First things, all right. This is a little survey to complete for the college. Okay, so go to that link and then do the student opinion survey. All right, that'll be open. What's today? Today's the 14th. For about a week. Okay, you'll have about a week to do that. So if you want to do that this weekend, because there's not really going to be an assignment for most of you, you can do that. Get that done. Okay. If you don't do it, there's really no penalty. So doesn't matter. Do it. Don't do it. Okay. All right. So here we go. Question number 23. 23. Okay. So the microwave repair costs. And when it gives you all those steps, all you have to do is just give me the 5-step process. That's it. Okay. So step number 1. All right. We're talking about the mean, of course. Okay. Less than 100. So then mu is greater than or equal to 100. The null hypothesis, the alternate hypothesis. Okay, again, that's your claim. So mu is less than 100. Mu is greater than or equal to 100. This is your claim. Okay. Step 2. It's a left tail test because the alternate hypothesis. Level of significance 0.01. Degree of freedom is 4 because it's a t, okay, a t critical value because it is less than 30. Okay, so my t critical value is negative 3.747. Okay. Step 3. All right, they gave us the mean $75, standard deviation 1250. So it's a t critical value, 75 minus 100, all over 1250 divided by the square root of 5. Okay? Plug that all in, and you get negative, what the heck? You get negative 4.472, which falls right in there. Okay? So step 4, you would say the t test statistic falls within the rejection region. Okay? And since it falls in the rejection region, you reject the null hypothesis. Okay? Step 4. And then the last step, you reject the null hypothesis. The alternate hypothesis is the claim. So there is enough evidence to support the claim. Okay? There's enough evidence to support the claim. And there you go. So the only thing that changed is the using the rejection region. Okay? So that's fine. And that's what you have to do in 7.3. 7.2 is p-value, 7.3 is rejection region, and then 7.4 is choice. Do whatever one you want. Okay? Now the next one is number, what number is it? 29. Okay? Number 29. So you had to put data in. Okay? You had to put data into your calculator to find the mean and standard deviation. And it's a sample, okay? Because you're only talking about 20 teenage males. We're not talking about all the teenage males, okay? How many 12-ounce servings of soda? Okay, so that's, yeah. So that doesn't encompass the entire population. Okay, so this is 29, number 1, step 1. Okay, step 1 says, is it less than again? Fewer than. Okay, fewer than, so, and I'll show you null and alternate. Fewer than, and that's the claim, greater than or equal to. Okay, so if you're able to go to that step right away, that's fine. Okay, but be careful, read it carefully, because it's fewer than. Don't just go right to that 12. See how they wrote 3 out? Okay, fewer than 3. Okay, so then greater or equal to 3. All right, so be very careful of that. All right, so again, it is a left tail test. Okay, so, and we have 0.05. How many are there? There's 20. Degree of freedom is 19. So we have degree of freedom 19. Area in one tail. Remember, look up area in one tail. Area in one tail is 0.05. So I have negative 1.729 for my, that's the T, the critical T value. Okay. And yep. Okay. So that looks good. All right. 3. Now remember, you had to put the values in. So we had a mean of 1.925 and a standard deviation of 0.654. Okay, so 1.925 minus 3 all over 0.654 and the square root of 20 gives me a value of, I'll go down here, gives me a value of negative 7.351. So clearly that falls within the rejection region. So that, remember, T test statistic falls within rejection region. Therefore, you reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so it's fine to abbreviate. Anything you hand into me, make sure it's out fully. Okay, and then it's pretty much the same as the last one. So there is enough evidence to support the claim. Okay, and there you have it. All right, there is enough evidence to support the claim. So make sure you write it all nice and neat, better than that. Okay. In terms of the videos, I'm only going to send videos out Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, new videos Monday and Wednesday, and then the answer video with the assignment on Thursday. And expect it, you know, like a little after 11 o'clock in the morning. Okay, it gets a little congested in the morning with YouTube and Edpuzzle and everything, so it takes a little longer than expected. Okay, I try to do it Sunday night, but you know, nice weather and whatever else, and I'm doing stuff with the family. So, so that's when the new videos are. Your assignment for the weekend, okay, or for tonight into tomorrow, okay, is just check the portal. Okay, check your average in the portal, check your grades in the portal. Make sure that I didn't miss anything. Make sure you didn't miss anything. Okay, grades are all over the place. I have some people who are up 95, 100. I have some people down 20, 25. So you got to make it up, okay? And if you're missing a video lesson, you just watch it, and I give you credit. But then you got to tell me, okay? Because I'm not going to keep going back checking a week, 2 weeks ago. All right, you have to tell me when you watch it. If there's an assignment you're missing, hand it in, okay? Get all this in, okay? So that's your assignment. If you're all caught up, then you got a nice weekend. It's supposed to be beautiful Sunday or a Saturday, so you can enjoy it. You don't have anything to do. And then on Monday, we'll pick up with 7.4. We're almost done. 7.4, quick little test on Chapter 7. Chapter 9, there's 2 sections, and that's it for the course. All right, and of course, your final project is the COVID data, which people are keeping up on. Excellent. All right, well, have a good weekend.